Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do our relief print project. So I got my materials for printmaking here. I got my styrofoam plate. I have my design already finished. I have a fresh sheet of paper, a marker, and then I have some water to hold my paper with. Okay. So first off, you're going to have your design ready. If you do not have a design ready to go back and finish that and come back to the video. Okay. So once that's done, you're going to get your design onto your styrofoam plate. So I'm going to do that by taking my design, putting it over my styrofoam, and then taking a sharpened pencil or pen. You're going to trace over your design, pressing a bit down somewhat firmly. And that will transfer your design onto the styrofoam a little bit. I'm trying to do this last part kind of fast. Okay. All right. So once that's completely done, you can see here you'll have your design kind of lightly impressed onto your styrofoam plate, like mine here. So if you're not done yet, you need to go back and trace over those lines again with, again, a sharpened pencil or pen, because we want these impressions to be deep. We don't want any of the marker to get inside our design. And if there's some pencil mark like mine here, that's okay. My cactus almost finished. Okay, so I have my design fully carved now. Once that's done, you're ready to print. Okay, so it's going to be the same process as before. So you're going to take your marker, you're going to color your plate. This is a little dry, but it will come out fine. Again, we want this to kind of cover the entire plate. So I might go back on these white areas a bit. So you can tell if you have properly carved your design onto your plate when you are putting your marker over it, and you can kind of see your design through the marker there. So none of that marker is getting inside those areas that we impressed into. So it should come out kind of either white or gray when we're putting down our color here. So I'm almost done with this part. And again, if you can use multiple colors if you like, so for instance, I could have this background be a color. I could have the floor right here be a color, different color. I could have the cactus itself be a different color. I could have the pot be a different color. That's up to you. This is just going to be one color, though, for the sake of the demo. Okay. So once that's finished, put that aside for a second, and get your plain paper and your water. Again, you're going to need either a brush or a sponge, something to wet the paper with. Okay. And I'm going to gently brush my water onto my paper. Again, I just want it to be barely shimmering. I am just using the weight of the brush to get to kind of put pressure on there. I'm not pressing down on it too much. Okay. So once it's done, you're going to take your paper, take your plate, and press them together. Make sure it's lined up properly. And to do so, you can free to drop your page and start pressing your paper and your plate together. Make sure you're kind of rubbing your knuckles on there. Make sure you get every little section of paper. So you can turn it and press one way, turn it, press the other way. Okay, and once you're confident that you have done so properly, you can take up your paper and your print will come out. So this is a strong print, I think. You can see very clearly the lines here. It's not, there's not much bleeding here. Some of the texture, there's some spottiness here, so there's some dry spots where these streaks are there, but that's not that big of a deal here. I think this is a fine print. All right. So with that, our relief is finished. All right, and I'll see you guys next time.